they got natural AutoTune in here now. So we can like clean AutoTune in here now. That's crazy. I was just about to make a new how to make your own vocal preset guide for BandLab, and then I noticed something unique in the AutoTune section. They have new BandLab AutoTune presets in beta, and I want to show them to you right now. I noticed like we got auto detect keys, so we could just put that in, make it auto detect the key. I'm gonna try that out in a minute. But I saw something, I was like category essentials. So we got, you know, duet. They probably heard me for one of them videos, and I was like, yo, we gotta get this better or something. So category, we see hip hop, yo, stone, so beta. You see that? Beta, beta. Yummy, play card, yo, yeah, that's interesting. That's interesting. So it's like that was interesting. So all right, so hyperpop. Okay. Okay. Hyper? Yeah. Okay. That's interesting. That's better. Okay. Blitz. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Staticky. Staticky. Sci-fi. Okay. Okay. Futurescape. Okay. That's interesting. Crafty, Gorgon, what? Yeah. Okay, so we got 4 new categories and we got new presets in beta, so that's very interesting. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a beat in here and we're gonna see if it'll do something. So what I'm just gonna key to take. Track is empty, so we have to go on the beat track, right? And then we go to turn this on and auto detect. That's interesting. Okay. All right, that was. Listen, that was interesting. Hold up. Like that's crazy. Like I wonder if I do something without. Hold up. Turn it on. All right, so let's turn the tune on. My name, bitch, yeah. I'ma die, yeah, bitch. You wanna win? And yeah, I'ma die, yeah, bitch. Let's see. Let's see what this do. To play the beat. Let's just see. I don't know how that's gonna work. Let's see how that work. Gotta see how that work. Let's see. Record. No. Yeah, baby been a dog, yeah. Bitch, you on and on. Baby been a dog, yeah. Been a dog, yeah. Baby, I been a dog, yeah. Been a dog, yeah. Baby, I been a dog, yeah. Alright, so I got that in here, and we hit auto detect. Okay. That ain't it. So, okay. So, I was in G major. Set auto pitch key. Let's see. Play back. Yeah, baby been a dog, yeah. Bitch, you on and on. Baby been a dog, yeah. Been a dog, yeah. Baby, I been a dog, yeah. Okay, so the beat, I was out of the key. So, the main key right here is this right here. So, it's like D major. So, let's see. Yeah, baby been a dog, yeah. Bitch, you on and on. Baby been a dog, yeah. Been a dog, yeah. Baby, I been a dog, yeah. Been a dog, yeah. Baby, I been a dog, yeah. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, baby been a dog, yeah. Bitch, you on and on. Baby been a dog, yeah. Been a dog, yeah. Baby, I been a dog, yeah. Been a dog, yeah. Baby, I been a dog, yeah. That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay, all right. That's crazy. Now let's record with some of these pre's though, real quick. Yeah. Which one? Yeah. Listen, recording. That's insane. That's insane. Insane. So as you see it, I wasn't like I ain't even capping. Like I ain't even capping. Like it's like I ain't even capping. Like you see everything. Like you see it's beta. We got new categories, new presets in here, new everything in here. Like I see you BandLab, even this little function. That's new. That's new. What else is new? I gotta what is this? What is that? I gotta go do some research in the old little BandLab here. See what we got. This is I don't know. We need to be able to save templates, BandLab. Make that happen for me, alright?